हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। तो आज का जो व्लॉग होने वाला है वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा स्पेशल व्लॉग है क्योंकि मैं और मेरी फैमिली, पूरा का पूरा फैमिली एक ट्रिप पे जा रहे हैं। काफ़ी सालों बाद हम लोग ट्रिप में जा रहे हैं। ऑलमोस्ट 6-7 साल हो गया है हमें प्रॉपर ट्रिप लिए हुए। हम लोग काफ़ी छोटे छोटे गेटअवेज में जाते थे, जैसे कि मंदारमनी, दीघा वगैरह। और मेरे पेरेंट्स मुझसे मिलने भी आए थे हैदराबाद में। तो वो छोटा सा ट्रिप तो नहीं कहेंगे, बट जो भी कहेंगे वो बस 1 या 2 दिन के लिए ही आए थे। तो अभी हम लोग प्रॉपर हिल स्टेशन प्लस बीचेस जा रहे हैं। तो मैं आप लोगों को अपने साथ लेके जाऊंगी, और कहाँ जा रही हूँ उसके लिए आप लोग को आगे का वीडियो देखना पड़ेगा। चलिए, तो कहाँ जा रही हूँ वो मैं रिवील कर दूँ, मैं सोच रही हूँ। तो चलिए बता ही देती हूँ आप लोगों को। तो हम लोग जा रहे हैं वाइजैग एज वेल एज अराकू वैली। तो मैं आप लोगों को अब डायरेक्टली ट्रेन में मिलूंगी। चलिए मिलते हैं ट्रेन में। Some puri and sabzi. I bought this coconut chutney, which is yum. I have been to Vizag many times, and this is my go-to place. You guys can check it out as well. There are multiple options. You have lunch options as well as breakfast and snacks option as well. I'll show you guys. It's a little oily, I know, but when you're in a vacation, I don't think you should mind about it. I've had my breakfast cum lunch, and now I'm heading towards my hotel. So I'll give you guys a room tour, quick room tour actually. Just putting it here, the lights are on. Look at the pretty room. Oh my god. So when we enter, let's switch on the lights first. And here is the AC control as well. The room is so pretty. My luggage. Look at the big TV. This is a work desk, you know. So I'll need it because I actually work as well. Oh my god. They have given us some basic necessities actually. Nothing too fancy. A dustbin. And this is the best part about this room. This is a big sofa cum bed. We can open this and it will become a bed. And these are 2 reclining sofas. And obviously the bed looks so cozy. With these dim lights. Look at the soft bed. Oh my god, loving it. Let's move on. This wasn't even the best part. This part is absolutely my favorite. Here are 4 cubicle, cubic chairs, and they have provided us 2 clean towels. There is a window. The view is not that good, but we can see the road from here. And here is the dressing table. Absolutely my favorite part. So I am looking a little tired, and also I am a little sweaty. So let's keep that aside. I'll be freshening up soon, and then I'll meet you guys. And here we have a full-size almirah. Let's see what's inside. I don't think there's much. There's just locker, obviously for important stuff, and nothing else. Just a few hangers. And this, guys, absolutely loving it. The full-size mirror for fit checks, you know. For people like me and girls like me, fit check is a must when we are in a trip. So here we are. Let's move on towards the washroom. The washroom is also quite clean, nice and big. Here's a mirror too. And here's a makeup mirror, if you guys can see. Then we have the shower area, which is fully closed. Look at this. And then the normal commode, sanitized. Best part about this hotel was I got it for very cheap. So we are a family of 5 members. We didn't wanted to take 2 rooms, but we only wanted to stick to 1. So this hotel was the most budget friendly one, and also It was giving such luxurious vibes. It was so affordable, so I decided that I'll go with this one only, and I'm so happy with my decision. You guys also tell me whether the decision was good or not. So I've done a little bit of touch up and I'm going to the railway station to pick up my parents. Actually, I arrived here a little earlier, so I'm gonna pick them up and then I'll meet you guys. Let's go. So right now I'm waiting for my Uber. It's very sunny. Now I'm at the railway station.
My sisters and my mother is also here.
आज हम लोग की इटिनरी में कुछ ज़्यादा स्पेशल नहीं है, सिर्फ हम लोग बीच जाएंगे और वापस आ जाएंगे, इसीलिए मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा बेसिक सा कपड़ा पहना है. आप लोगों को दिखाती हूँ. Don't mind the best, but this is how my outfit looks like. A normal jeans, normal bag and a basic top. Earrings मैं डाल लूँगी अभी. That's it. Guys, जैसे आप देख ही रहे हो, almost अंधेरा हो गया. I wanted to see the sunset. I'm at the beach, as you guys can see. So this one is a relatively crowdier beach. So we have came here just to enjoy for some hours and then we'll go. Tomorrow we'll be going to the more empty beach. Guys, I'll show you guys the beach right now. Let's see. Stopped here in front of the beach itself and we have ordered for some chow mein. Let's see how does it taste. It's very spicy, tastes good. I'd not say good, it's average, but because it's street food and it's very affordable, then it's good.
Right in front of the beach itself, there are so many fish stalls here, you can see.
So like we have ordered this from the shop. This is prawn fried something, very Andhra style. They have also given some chutney and onions as well. Some tuna fish. I'm not a fan of tuna fish, but let's see how does it taste. So guys, अभी हम लोगों ने वो prawn भी खाया और साथ साथ tuna fried fish भी खाया. Prawn was so, but tuna fish जो था वो सारा हम लोगों ने डॉग को दे दिया है और वो डॉग भी बेहोश हो गया. एंड ऑब्वियसली मैंने एक बार और टूना ट्राई किया था घर पे बनाकर, वो भी अच्छा नहीं लगा था मुझे. तो मुझे लगा था हो सकता है कि मुझे बनाना नहीं आया है, बट आज पता चला इट्स नॉट द केस. द फिश इज़ वेरी फिशी एंड इट वॉज समथिंग लाइक ब्लैक कलर का था, तो बहुत ज़्यादा ही वियर्ड लग रहा था. राइट, ये तो सिर्फ फंसती रहती है. यहाँ पे क्यूट शेल से बना हुआ थिंग्स है, जैसे मिरर है एंड फिर ये कर्टन स्टाइल कुछ है जो दिखा में भी मिलता है. एंड यहाँ पे नॉर्मल किड्स का प्ले स्टोर शॉप काइंड ऑफ बहुत सारे हैं एक्चुअली यहाँ पे.
So guys, right now it's 1 AM in the night. We are very hungry. We came back from the beach around 9:30ish and when we decided that we'll be ordering inside only in our hotel, but what happened is we all were very tired, so we didn't had the energy to order something, so we slept off and now we are so hungry. So we decided that we'll be ordering some Nissin and now we have made some ramen for us.
So we are heading out right now. It's around 4:30ish. Guys, अभी 4:30 ही बज रहा है. Like it's around 4:37 और हम लोग निकल के पूरा अंधेरा है. हम लोग जो बीच जा रहे हैं वो ऋषिकोंडा बीच है, वो थोड़ा दूर है, इस वजह से हम लोग थोड़ा जल्दी निकल गए. We'll meet you guys in the beach. Bye bye. So guys, it's 5 AM in the morning and we have traveled around 20 kilometers straight to come at this beach. This beach is the Rishikonda beach. I'm very excited for this beach. I have been here but I don't remember like much about it. So right now we are gonna have some tea and then I'll meet you guys at the sunrise. Also I'll show you guys my family as well. Guys, say hi.
Hi, subscribe to the channel.
Hi.
Hi, it's me, the Corgi girl.
And there's my father. Right now we are having some Osmania biscuits. Moving towards the beach right now. और बीच का व्यू इतना प्यारा आ रहा है. I'll show you guys. So this is how the beach is looking. अभी sunrise हुआ नहीं है, हो रहा है आहिस्ते आहिस्ते. Look at it. और guys, ये मेरी दोनों क्यूट बहनों का पिक चेक है. एंड ऑल्सो बीच के बिल्कुल ऑपोजिट में ही ये पहाड़ दिख रहा है, अगर आप देख पा रहे हैं तो। गाइज बिकॉज ऑफ द वेदर हम लोग सनराइज नहीं देख पाए हैं। वी वर द फर्स्ट पर्सन टू कम हियर एंड अभी इतने लोग हो गए हैं बीच में। इफ यू कैन सी दिस इज हाउ द सनराइज लुक्स लाइक। So this is right beside the Rishikonda beach viewpoint. Actually it's the Rishikonda beach, not the viewpoint. Finally we are having coconut water here. Oh my god, coconut water is absolutely love. So guys, I'm literally sweating like anything, but this coconut water is definitely helping in this weather. It's so sweet. So we are back again to Sri Sairam Parlor. We have ordered some upma and idli, and we've ordered some more stuff. We'll show you guys. Also ordered for some puri. Such fluffy puris. Also have some mixed dosa. So the last dish here is mixed uttapam. There's a lot of mirchi I can see. I don't know how will we eat this. Let's see. For beverages we have ordered some filter coffee, tea and buttermilk. Guys, I'm ready. I've done my makeup. So actually we are heading out to Trinity Park. I'll meet you guys after changing my clothes. This is what I'm wearing today. A very comfy jeans, a normal t-shirt and this shirt. Nothing too fancy. We are at Trinity Park right now. Here we can see the beach like upar se. If you can see, there's the beach. See, this is the exact view in front of me. And there's the popular ship that was stuck here. And it has been here since years. Looks so mesmerizing. Look at the weather and the sea. I am just mesmerized by the view. Like, I do not have any other words actually. The beach, enjoying the view and having some corn. And also some kachi aam. We are done with the beach today. The beach was really refreshing. My mom enjoyed too and my sisters too. I'll show you guys. Enjoy. So now we stopped at a restaurant where we have ordered these two. Let's have. I've never had these. I don't remember whether I've had or not. Let's try. We are having our dinner today at the hotel itself. We have got some pulao here and some chicken popcorn and some wings, KFC style. So after dinner we have cut these mangoes and we'll be having it. It's day 3 in Vizag and I am officially sleep deprived. I haven't slept all night. My sister was a little unwell. I had to take care of her, but that's okay. We'll figure it out. And I'm going to go take a bath and get ready and then I'll meet you guys. So this is the current situation right now. Very tired and puffy face. We'll figure it out. I'm having my breakfast. So we have ordered for some breakfast here in the hotel. I'll show you guys what all we are eating. Some bread, butter, cheese, and this is some South Indian style vada and all. I don't know what exactly is the name, but it tastes so amazing with some chutney and boiled eggs. This one tastes so good. It's fried, but it's fine. So guys, finally it's 2:30ish at the noon obviously, and we are heading out. It's very late. So for today we have actually hired a cab. I'll link the details of the cab, everything. I'll also review that cab because I'm paying a lot of money to them, and I'll tell you guys whether I recommend it or not. Let's go. Oh my god, it's actually very hot. Now we were heading towards Yarada beach and we stopped here. The view looks so beautiful. Can you see? I can see the whole city here. Like, look at the view. Finally, I am in the Yarada beach. This looks so good, right? Look at those hills and these stones. Looks so mesmerizing, right? So guys, right now we are at the beach and celebrating my mom's birthday. So this is the exact scenario in front of me. And cameraman Chan Nawab के साथ. We are back to Trinity Park. Actually, we all enjoyed Trinity Park so much yesterday. So we decided that we'll come to Trinity Park, and here we are. Actually, I was very sleepy while coming back from Yarada Beach. I slept for around 15 to 20 minutes. Actually, I took a short nap, and here I am. Let's go. I'll show you guys. Guys, अभी यहाँ पे आए हैं हम लोग RTC कॉम्प्लेक्स के पास टिफिन्स खाने. तो यहाँ पे शाम के नाश्ते को टिफिन्स कहते हैं. I'll show you guys how does it look. There are multiple shops, tiffin centers actually. Street food center. Today's dinner we have some lachha paratha along with some mixed sabzi and some veg pulao along with some veg chow mein. We also have some biryani. I have not taken it out yet. That's it. We'll be having our dinner after this. So I'm ending my video here because our trip has came to an end. We are going to Araku Valley tomorrow. I'll meet you guys in the next vlog which will be about Araku Valley. So the Vizag trip has came to an end. It was so mesmerizing. It totally refreshed all of our family members. All of our family members liked it too much. You guys can definitely come to this place. It's a 9 out of 10. Like there are places like Goa and all as well, but Araku Valley and Vizag is something very different. You should not miss it. The crowd is also really good. I'll meet you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye.